main issue is to close the gap between non-Aboriginal people and Aboriginal people.
So we need to improve that health outcome for the Aboriginal people of this country.
I think it's poor that today we're here in a first world environment. Those statistics, says the black communities in third world.
We all just want people, gotta break down all these walls. We all just want people, all fighting for the same cause. We all just want people, gotta break down all these walls. We all just want people, want people.
Hi, my name is Linda French and I'm here at Thurl at the Closing the Gap event. This is a national initiative event. Events like this happen all around Australia.
We've got Odyssey House down there, we've got Warren, and we've got Northcott, BCS, MDSI, you've got the police, the Breakthrough Group, Thurl Land Council, and we've got Health Promotions, Macarthur Community Options, and we've got Youth Off the Streets. So, gee, that's 23 stalls there. You Aboriginal people are more aware, and they're getting behind the scheme because it's been a great success over the last 5 years.
Closing the gap is important to the police because we need to look after the whole community. The Crime Management Unit is the unit that I'm in charge of, and we're responsible for the behind-the-scenes work at a police station.
All the specialist services that we have is all about diabetes, kidney disease, the cardiologist. So we have a wide range of services.
The birth weights that we've had, last 20 clients on our program have been above average, so they're not low birth weights, they're higher birth weights.
We've run a program called the Clean Slate Without Prejudice program, partnered with Tribal Warrior Association and Young Spirit Mentoring.
Tackling the issue of eating healthy by doing a community kitchen where people can start to learn how to cook and what is healthy, to growing their own vegetables, and we even started the Good Tucker program where we're actually going to the markets and buying food and vegetables at a cheaper price.
So we have various programs, health programs, healthy lifestyle programs, chronic disease programs, dental programs, GP programs, and a lot of it involves exercise, a lot of it involves walking, cooking, heating habits. It's like a one big stop shop. It's all here. We've got the Mums and Bubs program, we've got the men's group come here, we've got the women's group, we've got arts and crafts, we've got all exercise classes. So it's all here.
Events such as these are going to help me and other young Aboriginal kids have a life expectancy similar to all other Australians.
We can make it if we try, push further than the sky. Oh.